Hi, my name is Anna. I'm a registered kinesiologist and one of the trainers with Vintage Fitness. Today we are in my side of the house garden and I'm going to be showing you how to properly lift so that you don't hurt yourself during the gardening season. So we want to make sure we're really using our legs and our core to make sure we don't hurt ourselves. So we want to have really good posture, try to keep the spine fairly neutral when you squat down, so bending those knees, keeping the back nice and straight. You're gonna pick up the object that you want to grab. At this point, I really like to squeeze my core, so push that belly button into your back to protect your back, and we're gonna use the strength of our legs, squeezing our bum as well to stand up with the object. Now you can move it wherever you need to go. I'm just gonna put it down here. And one thing that I really wanna stress as well is that sometimes there are objects that are going to be too heavy for us and it's not worth getting injured over. So make sure that you think before you lift and ask for help when you need to.